Another evolutionary hypothesis of color blindness: visual adaptations and resources efficiency. Colorblind individuals make up 8% of the population, a notably high proportion for a trait without clear evolutionary advantages, suggesting the existence of an underlying benefit justifying this prevalence. This implies there might be an evolutionary reason behind this condition, more plausible than mere chance. However, to date, there have been no studies supporting or refuting this hypothesis. The fovea, a small depression in the center of the retina that covers only 0.33% of its surface, is crucial for high-resolution vision, known as foveal vision. Unlike the rest of the retina, where resolution is lower, peripheral vision, the fovea mainly contains red-sensitive, L, and green-sensitive, M, cones, while blue-sensitive, S, cones and rods, which process light intensity and motion, are absent and found only in the rest of the retina. The eye compensates for the lack of resolution in peripheral vision through rapid eye movements, saccadic movements, focusing objects of interest on the fovea, where vision is more detailed. The brain interprets and processes this combination of information to form an efficient perception of the visual environment, optimizing the detection of motion, general shapes, and contrasts throughout the visual field. The high concentration of L and M cones in the fovea optimizes the perception of fine details, essential for visual acuity. L and M cones occupy 64% and 36%, respectively, as they are most suitable for detecting medium and long wavelengths, which are better for detailed vision. Since S cones are absent, foveal vision could be considered essentially colorblind. In summary, the fovea sacrifices sensitivity to blue color and motion to achieve high-resolution vision. This specialization occurs because detailed vision requires significant visual resources and brain processing. If all vision were high-resolution, the bandwidth of the optic nerve would need to be greater than that of the eyeball, and the brain would require superior capabilities to process intensive visual information. Additionally, the energy consumption of the optic nerve would be significantly higher, posing challenges in terms of efficiency in heat dissipation for the visual system. In relation to the discussion above regarding the specialization of the fovea and the distribution of cones and rods, and their relationship with resource consumption, it is important to consider that colorblind individuals, who may lack a type of cone or have defects in one of them, could have perceptual advantages in certain visual aspects. For instance, some types of color blindness might provide greater contrast sensitivity, improved perception in low-light conditions, or enhanced ability to detect peripheral movements. These advantages could arise due to the redistribution of visual resources in the retina, where the lack of function in a specific type of cone could allow redistribution towards other visual functions that might be more advantageous in particular environments. An example of visual resource optimization is observed in some flying insects, such as the bumblebee, bombus. These insects can switch from trichromatic vision, used when foraging for flowers, to achromatic vision, used when not foraging for flowers. This change enables them to better process motion, reallocating resources to detect and respond to potential predators. In a way, we could say that a colorblind individual has the same bandwidth in the optic nerve and the same data processing capabilities, but receives less color-related information, allowing them to use that capacity to process other types of visual data.